Good evening, students. Now I am going to teach a new lesson, Sanmitram. Sanmitra means good friend. Already you have come across this word in Sukti Kusmani, Sanmitrasya Lakshanam. What are the features of good friend? He will remove your sin. He will take you in a good path, and he will help you whenever you require, and he gives financial help. These are all the good characters or good features of, these are the characters of good friend. In this lesson, there is one story about good friend. Now I am going to tell the story in brief. Sanmitram, the lessons summary I am going to tell you. What are the characters in this story? See, Sanmitram, a good friend. Here, there is one kingdom by name Vaishali. And the king of that kingdom is Senajit. And his minister is Devavrata. And Devavrata had three friends: Vachikamitram, Somadevaha, and Chandradhara. Devavratasya Mitrani means the friends of Devavrata. Okay. Now, the story in brief. Senajit Raja was ruling the kingdom Vaishali. His minister Devavrata. Devavrata was very efficient. With the help of Devavrata, Senajit was ruling the kingdom in a very effective manner. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳು ಬಹಳ ಸುಖ ಶಾಂತಿಯಿಂದ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿಯಿಂದ ವೈಶಾಲಿ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು. ದೇವವ್ರತನ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ರಾಜನಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ವಾತ್ಸಲ್ಯ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ that his kingdom was very safe. Senajit got success in his administration only because of the effort of Devavrata. He was the right hand of Senajit king. One day, there was discussion in his royal assembly. Who were all there? All poets, scholars, ministers, all were seated in that assembly. What was the discussion topic? King is greater or scholar is greater? This was the topic. Raja Shresthano athva Vidwansa Shresthano. Then the minister told Vidwansa is Shrestha. Scholar is greater and not king. He told the real fact. ದೇವವ್ರತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಜವಾದ ಕಾರಣವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟ. He gave the reasons also for his statement. Why scholar is great? Because the scholar will be respected not only in his kingdom but also in foreign country. In Videsh also he will be respected by his knowledge, by his jnana. But what about the king? King is respected only in his kingdom and not in Videsha, not in foreign country. The king got very angry. ಬಹಳ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂತ ರಾಜನಿಗೆ. ಇದೇನು ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ? ರಾಜನನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಂಡಿತ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುವುದೇ? Without king, scholar will be respected, honored. It is highly impossible. But minister was not agreeing to king's statement. He was completely for his statement that scholar is greater than king. Then king did not think properly. Viveka Shunyanath Raja, what he did, he expelled Devavrata from his kingdom. ದೇವವ್ರತನನ್ನ ತನ್ನ ರಾಜ್ಯದಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ. ದೇಶದ್ರೋಹಿಯ ಪಟ್ಟವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ. He called him as a traitor. Okay, Devavrata, even then also, he did not change his opinion. Silently, he went out of his kingdom. Now, where to go? Now, Devavrata first came to the house of Vachikamitra. He was very close friend. Vachikamitra welcomed Devavrata and gave him shelter only for few days. Then afterwards what happened? In the beginning, everybody will be goody-goody. Afterwards, they start showing their real colors. ವಾಚಿಕಮಿತ್ರ ನಿಜವಾದ ಬಣ್ಣ ಬಯಲಾಯಿತು. He was very much afraid of king's punishment. ಇದು ದೇವವ್ರತನಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಯಿತು. So his response was not good as compared to earlier. So why to give him trouble? So Devavrata came out of his house. He knew that Vachikamitra did not like Devavrata staying in his house. So he did not want to trouble him. So he came out of his house. ಅವನ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದ ದೇವವ್ರತ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು? Next he came to the house of Somadeva. He was also very close friend, childhood friends, both, all these two. And they had taken lot of help from Devavrata when he was a minister. He had a power. See now, Somadeva also welcomed him, gave him food, shelter in the beginning. Then slowly he also started. He straightway told, see, I am very much afraid of king's punishment. You are a traitor. I cannot face king. So please, you can go out of my house. See the friends, nature, real nature has come out. Devavrata felt very, very bad. ಬಹಳ ದುಃಖ ಆಯ್ತು. ತನ್ನಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲಾ ಸಹಾಯವನ್ನ ಇಬ್ರು ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈಗ ತನ್ನನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ತಿರಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ he felt very bad. He came out of his house also. Where to go? Actually, Devavrata is on the road now. He told, fie upon my selfish friends. He was going on the road. He was not knowing what to do. Then he met his third friend, Chandradhana. This Chandradhana was not close as these two, Vachikamitra and Somadeva. He was not that close. But Chandradhana was very happy to meet Devavrata. Chandradhana took Devavrata to his house. Devavrata had lost all his faith on his friends. When Chandradhana called, he went casually. He also thought for a few days he may give shelter. Then afterwards, he will send me out of the house. He went inside the house. He treated him very well. And he told, Mitra, don't worry. Mai hu na. I am very happy to see you. I am not afraid of king's punishment. Even though I am hanged, Even though my family has got punishment, even though my family gets punishment, we are not afraid of anybody. ನಮಗೆ ಯಾರದ್ದು ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿತ್ರನೊಬ್ಬನೇ ನಿಜವಾದ ಸಂಗಾತ. ನಿಜವಾದದ್ದ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣನುಂಟು ಮಾಡೋನು ಮಿತ್ರನ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ. ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. Like this, he consoled Devrata, was very much upset with Vachikamitra and Somadeva. Gradually, Devrata was respected by the people, subjects nearby. This news went to king. ರಾಜನಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಕಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ದೇವವ್ರತ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ it became very difficult for him to rule the kingdom. And also he came to know about the best friend Somadeva, that he was not afraid of even king's punishment. Really, friend in need is a friend indeed. Really, he is a great friend. So I must see him. Thinking like that, king came to the house of Chandradhara. He met Chandradhara and Devrata too. Raja consoled Devrata and he told him to forgive him, and with honor king brought Devrata to his palace. While coming to the king's palace, Devrata told Chandradhara, in future, if he needs any help, he has to meet Devrata. In this way, the real nature of a true friend is expressed in this lesson. Students, you are also having so many friends. So just don't come into conclusion that they are all good. Okay, we'll come to the real nature when you are in need of them. Who is the real friend here? See, Sanmitram. Now, the third Chandradhara is the best friend of all three. This is the summary of the lesson. So, now I will start this lesson. Okay. Page number 79. Please open the page number 79. Prachina Katha. It is an ancient story. Esha Katha ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಜ್ಞಾನಂ ನಾಮಕ ಕಥಾ ಗ್ರಂಥಾತ್ ಸಂಗ್ರಹ ರೂಪೇಣ ಸ್ವೀಕೃತ. It has been selected from one grantha called Sanskrita Samanya Jnana. Katha prasangesmin, in this story, kadachit rajamantrinoho vado ajayat. A dispute, argument, vada, began between Raja and Mantri. Mantri sankashte apatati. Mantri has to face difficulty. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟವಾಯಿತು, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ. ತದಾ ಸಹ ಪೂರ್ವಂ ತೇನ ಸಾಹಾಯಂ ಸ್ವೀಕೃತವತಾಂ ತ್ರಯಾಣಾಂ ಮಿತ್ರಾಣಾಂ ಗೃಹಂ ಕ್ರಮಶಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಸಹ ಕ್ರಮಶಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. He goes in an orderly manner to the house of his three friends. Trayanam mitranam graham. To the house of three friends. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಪೂರ್ವಂ ತೇನ ಸಹಾಯಂ ಸ್ವೀಕೃತವಾನ್. They had taken help from Devavrata. So he went to their houses. Tatra apatsu mitram janiyat. ನಿಜವಾದ ಮಿತ್ರನ ಲಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಕಷ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ತಿಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. When we are in difficulty, the real nature of friend should be understood. This was the statement. Pramaణೀಕೃತಾ ಭವತಿ. This is proved. ದೇವವ್ರತ ಕಷ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇಬ್ರು ಮಿತ್ರರು, ವಾಚಕ ಮಿತ್ರ ಸೋಮದೇವ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಾದ್ರು. ದೇ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಫಿಶ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಚಂದ್ರಧರ ವಾಸ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ಲೆಸ್. ವಿದ್ವಾನ್ ಸರ್ವತ್ರ ಪೂಜ್ಯತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್. ಇತಿ ಉಕ್ತಿ ಅನುಸಾರಂ. ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದ್ಯತನ ಕಾಲೇ ಸನ್ಮಿತ್ರಸ್ಯ ಮಹತ್ವಂ ಜ್ಞಾತುಂ. In these days, to know the importance of good friend, esha katha sahayika bhavati. This story is very, very helpful. Understood? Now, this is introduction part. Next, one para, I'll start. First para. Asit Prachi. In the east, Prache Janapade, Vaishali Nama Puri. Vaishali Nama Puri. There was one kingdom by name Vaishali in the east. Tatra Senajit Sandhi. Senajit Abhido Raja Bhuvam Prashashasa. Tatra Senajit Nama Raja Bhuvam Prashashasa. He ruled the kingdom. Ayam Mahipa. He Raja hegidda. Who was the king? Ayam Mahipa. Mahipa means Raja. Viro Dhirashchasi. He was Veera, brave, and Dhira, bold, courageous. He was brave and courageous. He had all the characters of king. Asya Asthane. Asthane, in his court, Suvijño Devavrato Nama Satyanishta Amatya Asa. Suvijñaha, very wise, intelligent. Devavrato Nama Satyanishta, very truthful. Amatya minister was there. He had a minister who was very intelligent and very truthful. ಸತ್ಯವಂತನಾದಂತ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತನಾದಂತಹ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇದ್ದ. ಹೆಸರು ದೇವವ್ರತ. ಅಮಾತ್ಯ ಅದರ ಪರ್ಯಾಯ ಪದ. ಮಂತ್ರಿ, ಸಚಿವ ಅಂತ ಅದರದ ಪರ್ಯಾಯ ಪದ. ದೇವವ್ರತ ತಾದೃಶೋ ಮತಿಮಾನಂ ಅವಿದ್ಯತ. He was such an intelligent person. He was such a wise person that yat kimapi karyam sah sahasa na samapadayishyat. Sahasa, all of a sudden, he never used to do anything. You have heard the proverb, haste is waste. ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ, ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ವಿವೇಕದಿಂದ ಅವನು ತನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಸೇನಜಿತ್. ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಸೇನಜಿತ್? ಕಿಂಗ್. ಅಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಸುತರಾಂ ಅಸ್ನೇಹತ. He was Raja was very much friendly with his minister. Again, he was very wise. Raja could rule the kingdom in a very effective manner by the sincere effort of Devavrata. Sah mantrina buddhi chaturyeena sarvakareshu yasha prapno. Sarvakareshu. In all the works, Raja used to get success. Raja was successful in all his works by the intelligence of the minister. He was an efficient, able minister. Yaro? Devavrata. Ataha Raja sasukham sanandam kalam yapayati sma. So king was spending the time, yapayati. He was spending the time sasukham, happily, sanandam, with joy, with pleasure. There was no tension, no suffering for the king, because Devavrata was his right hand. Understood? I hope you are understanding this lesson. This lesson is very easy and interesting. So today I am going to conclude this lesson. In the next class, I will continue this lesson. Okay, thank you, students.